Welcome to Section 4, Strategic Dashboards. In the previous section, we created a tactical dashboard, learning about statistical charts, funnels, and maps. In this section, we will create a strategic dashboard. This will allow us to visualize period-over-period changes, build bullet graphs, publish reports to the web, and work with dashboard tiles. In this video, I'll describe the example we'll be building. In the next video, we'll calculate period-over-period changes, a hallmark of strategic dashboards. After that, we'll create bullet graphs, an essential chart every dashboard designer should have in their toolbox. We'll upload a few of our reports to the web and pin visuals to dashboards. Finally, we'll add finishing touches to our dashboard with media tiles. So now I'll introduce the strategic dashboard example. Strategic dashboards are typically aimed at C-level executives looking to monitor their business and make high-level decisions. They need to see the big picture. Is the business on target? And they need insight into all of their business units at once. Thus, strategic dashboard hallmarks often include period-over-period change, target-based metrics, and data fusion, mashing up data from multiple lines of business. To this end, we'll start by calculating year-over-year and month-over-month metrics, using them for charts and KPIs. We'll introduce the bullet chart, a crucial visual when you're evaluating KPI performance against a target. Finally, we'll pull visuals from both the customer data we started with in Section 1 and the pharmacy sales data we worked with in Section 4, pinning the highest level visuals to a single-page dashboard and exploring dashboard's tile-based workflow. Let's take a look at the completed dashboard. The first thing to note is that the dashboard fits entirely on one screen. Everything is available at a glance. You can see an executive continuously running this dashboard on a screen off to the side. The layout is divided into two vertical columns, one for pharmacy and one for groceries. Each contains a high-level KPI, followed by charts breaking down the performance. While a real strategic dashboard would likely duplicate most of the KPIs across both lines of business, we will only use one visual of each type to save time and work nicely in the 1080p resolution of this video course. The pharmacy sales year-to-date KPI is from Section 1, while the remaining pharmacy charts are from Section 4. On the grocery side, we have a year-over-year KPI that will build new, as well as bullet charts broken down by category. This is a clear indicator of which sectors are on target and which need more work. For interaction, breakdown chart tiles have functional tooltips. The bullet charts scroll, and clicking on any tile lets the executive dive into the report the chart was drawn from. This is a period-over-period chart we'll be creating. Here we have the year-over-year KPI we just saw on the dashboard, and of course here are the bullet graphs in a bullet chart, which we just clicked on. We'll build these to the original Stephen Few spec. In the next video, we'll calculate and visualize period-over-period changes.